How to use iPhone ProMotion display for smooth scrolling and gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into incredible ProMotion display on your iPhone. Whether you are a gamer, a social media scroller, or just someone who loves a smooth experience, this feature is a total game changer. So let's explore how to make most of it. First, let's break it down. ProMotion is Apple advanced display technology that offers a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. What does that mean? It refreshes your screen up to 120 times per second, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel buttery smooth. It's also adaptive, meaning it adjusts what you are doing to save battery life. Cool, right? Before we get started, make sure your iPhone supports ProMotion. This feature is available after the iPhone 13. So if you are unsure, check your model in the settings. And once you are done, let's see how ProMotion enhances your day-to-day iPhone use. Scrolling. You can open apps like Safari, Twitter, or Instagram. You can scroll through the pages or feeds and notice that there is a super smooth transactions. Next, multitasking. You can also switch between apps quickly and you will see that animation are seamless and lag free. And at last, text input. You can open notes and messages and start typing, and ProMotion makes your keystrokes feel more responsive. And it's all about making the experience feel faster and more fluid. And now, for all the gamers out there, this is where ProMotion really shines. Many popular games are optimized to take advantage of 120 Hz refresh rate, giving you a competitive edge. Open a games like Call of Duty, PUBG, or Genshin Impact. Not only it does look better, but the increased responsiveness can actually improve your gameplay. ProMotion ensures that every move, tap, and swipe feel instantaneous. And with this, here are some tips to optimize battery life while using ProMotions. ProMotions is adaptive, but there are still a few tricks to get the best balance between performance and battery life. To do that, you simply need to go to the settings and enable low power key. Once you have done that, dim your screen brightness or enable auto brightness and close apps you are not using to reduce background activity. With these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of ProMotion while keeping your battery in check. And that's how you can make most of iPhone ProMotion display, whether you are scrolling, typing, or gaming. This feature elevates the entire experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Got any question? You can drop them in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.